5 Best Android Apps to Make Money and Reward within 2021. Download link to all 5 apps are provided in description. Click and download the app you want. Lucky Cash. Win real money and coupons. Incredible app with Lucky Cash. Earn credits with simple and fast actions. Turn your credits into real money. Easy, free, and fast to make money. Lucky Cash is a free application and very easy to use, allowing anyone, very quickly, to perform actions to earn credits. Actions include completing surveys, testing apps, playing mini games or watching videos. To increase your income, you can invite and sponsor new players. We then win every day 30% in addition to the winnings generated by our friends. It can then go very fast. App number 2. Make Money, Free Cash Rewards. Are you constantly looking for new rewards apps? Make Money helps you earn real cash. First, collect credits by trying free apps, testing services, completing surveys, and giving your opinion. Make Money gives you hundreds of thousands of credits, where other cash apps just give you 1,000. The difference in credits is incredible. We have the best high-paying offers and high-paying surveys. Next, withdraw the credits as free money to your PayPal account. Every credit is worth real money with fast payment through PayPal. Welcome to the reward zone. Say hello to your big rewards. No flimsy gift cards. Real cash money transferred with PayPal. It is that easy to work from home. App number 3. PolePay. Make money and free gift cards cash app. Are you ready to make easy money from the comfort of your home? PolePay is the best cash app 2020 to earn real money rewards on your smartphone. Complete simple polls and surveys to help you earn your second salary. Receive your rewards as either free PayPal cash, a free voucher, or coupons. Your mobile mini job is not only easy but also fast with PolePay. Real rewards and free gift cards are waiting for you. Be smart and earn money with a survey. PolePay is leading the way for survey apps that pay cash. Earn money from home while you search for an alternative job. Increase your PayPal balance with PayPal Credit. App number 4. Earn cash rewards, play music and games, make money. Looking for a perfect side cash money app? Earn extra money rewards? A new way to make money and side cash on your phone? The current rewards app is the top cash rewards app to earn money with. Real cash. Get paid to listen to free music from a selection of thousands of radio stations with the world's top current songs and get paid to play games from the top game studios. Make money on your phone daily with the free current rewards games and free music player app. App number 5. Feature points, get rewarded. Make money and earn rewards on your phone with fun surveys, free games, free to play instant win, cash back, and more. Use your points to get rewards including PayPal Cash, Visa Prepaid Cash, or Amazon, Google Play, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo eShop, Starbucks gift cards and more. Play free games from the Google Play Store and earn real cash. Get paid for giving your opinion. Answer survey questions and earn up to $5+ per survey.
At the end here is our kindly request from you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and click the like button. We will be very thankful to you.